Hey, what's up guys? It's Mike here and I'm back with another video. This time it's a pretty sad one, unfortunately. So last week on Saturday I was on my way to work and this motherfucker from Ohio in a Maryland car tried to make an illegal U-turn and he hit me and totaled my fucking car. So yeah, I'm carless. Well, guess we'll run through some glory shots of the Dart. Show you what she used to look like. My beautiful cheap wheels. You know, it's pretty much the only thing that you can really see. But yeah. So I had to go down to the shop. They had it at clean it out, get all my stuff, and I'm gonna show you the footage that I took while I was there. It was night because I get off work really late, so the footage is a little bit better than the pictures, I think. So here. So now that I'm carless, I'm gonna be borrowing my girlfriend's brother's car while he's in the armed forces. I don't know which branch, so he's just in the military. But yeah, he's letting me borrow his car for however long I need it until I can get a new car, which really shouldn't be too long. I'm thinking no more than 2 months, and I'm copping something nice, bro. Like something real nice. You'll see. You will see. It's gonna be sweet. So if you're still interested, I will be, of course, modding that car. Well, not the car that I'm borrowing, but the car that I get in 2 months or less. Definitely be doing some major upgrades to that, but they're gonna be a little costlier, a little more costly than the Dart's upgrades, so it might take a little bit longer, but it will definitely be worth it. So if you're interested, definitely smash that like button, slap that like button if you've ever been in an accident, smack that like button if your car's ever been totaled. I know you feel the pain. Make sure you subscribe, click that notification button.